Good morning, guys. It's OG from OG Scale Models. Thought I'd do a little video here. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning here in Ohio. I'd like to start with the mini tractor puller. I told you guys that my wife 3D printed and I started it on. Here it is, guys. Let me take the fenders off here. Alrighty. I pretty much just basically sewed this thing pretty much together, sanded a little bit here and there, and that's about it. I painted the engine, I wired it, I plumbed it. As you can see, it's got fuel lines on it. It is wired. It's a Hemi engine. The tires, this was all 3D printed in white. The tires is painted with Testors flat rubber. I don't know if I like that yet. It looks alright, but these are the tires that is printed off, 3D printed in matte black. I don't know. You tell me which one you guys, These are for the other tractor puller that I'm going to be building. Overall, it turned out pretty decent. Like I said, this thing is fragile due to it, having to take all the supports out in the frame and all that stuff. But other than that, it turned out alright. This, as promised, I'm going to show you guys how to finish this. Take all the 3D printed lines out of it. I have to go to the hardware store today, or hopefully by Friday I'll get the stuff and I'll be able to do a video and show you guys how I smooth these out. You can sand it, but it's going to take a while in order to get it smooth and everything. This tractor puller here is going to be called Digging Up Bones. It'll hopefully be done for the next model show that I'm going to be trying to go to. Like I said, I got a few more details to put on it, and that's pretty much it. And paint it and put the decals on it that I'm wanting on it. Other than that, I'm going to call this one almost finished. Like I said, I will do a video and show you guys how to finish the body on this thing, basically. And I hope you guys like that. It turned out pretty decent. The wheels are painted with the that chrome paint that I bought. If you hold on 1 second and I'll see if I can get it. Yes, it's Krylon metallic original chrome. I painted it with those, the wheels. It goes good over black. Paint your parts black and then put this on top of it. This is enamel. Yes, it is enamel, so try to remember that when you're painting and stuff. You don't want to be mixing your paints too much. That could run you into some problems. But other than that, it turned out pretty good, guys. I think it looks pretty good. I did put fuel line and everything on it. I am going to put a throttle linkage back here and stuff, and that's pretty much it for this for the chassis and the engine and all that stuff. I built the magneto and the wires. Like I said, turned out pretty decent. And I did paint the tires the flat enamel rubber by Testors. They turned out pretty decent, but to me, maybe I should have painted them over black. It was my first time using Testors rubber on any models. I've been building models for a long time, and that was the first time I used rubber on a model, on my model cars, or anything for that matter. I also painted the hoses that color too, because it resembles hose, but I don't know, it's different, I guess. But overall, like I said, it turned out pretty decent. And whatnot. As soon as I get to the hardware store and pick up the items that I need, I got most of the items, but I got to get some paper cups and some stirrers and stuff like that, wood stirrers, and the other stuff I want to be using. And I will let you guys know everything that I'm using before I show you how to do this. The underneath it, I'm going to leave it this color. It'll be painted whatever color the body is. It's going to still have the rough texture. The only thing I'm worried about is the top of the fenders, and that's it. The rest, it can stay like the 3D printed roughness, you know. I'm not worried about that. But overall, I think it turned out pretty decent, guys. I'm happy with it. I did add some black liner to the headers to give them that like burnt look and stuff, you know, from pulling and this and that. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty decent. Again, thanks everyone that's been subscribing and liking my channel. I really appreciate that, guys. It helps out. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. It helps me out, and I'll try to keep on keeping the videos coming, guys. As soon as I'm done with this mini tractor puller, I'll probably be getting started on another model. I don't know what yet. I have a bunch of new ones. Maybe I'll do like a little thing where I ask everyone which one should I build, like I used to do, and go from there. Let you guys vote on it or something, and go from there. I'm gonna get off here and say well, good night for me, but everybody else will be waking up pretty soon for work and things. But everybody stay blessed and take care of yourselves, and on to the next.